Hey guys, this is going to be my first ever discussion, and I'm in a room. I'll show you at the end, but I'm in a different room than usual for time being in this room, and by the title I think I'm going to make it's worse than I thought it was. If not, then that's what this video is about. Though you can probably tell what this video is going to be. It's my first ever discussion. So, it's obviously going to be on a Thomas Wood item. It's going to be the Day Out with Thomas 2018. Now, I wasn't actually at the Day Out with Thomas, but, wow. This is horrible. So, strap hat. Day Out with Thomas car. I got it at Marshall's. Here's the description. The hat gets global. Thomas's missing answer Topham hat is on his trail. He's traveling the world in a global search because when a friend feels lost, you need to do whatever it takes to help. Friend. Blurry. Friend. The Topham hat is Thomas's controller. He's not a friend. Gosh, he literally yelled at him in the Soda's Legend of Lost Treasure. So I already have one of these out of the box. Marshall's had two. So yeah, I'm going to unbox this one now. It's basically going to be another mini unboxing. Like that one minis video. Well, one I did last week on Easter. Oh gosh. Here we go. So, second one. And, yeah. So I now have two and I can make a train. I don't know if you can hear me from here. I'm trying to get an engine. I'm trying to look for a particular one. There he is. Alright. So, here's Henry pulling him. I don't have any tracks up because it's in the setup of my layout. I have literally not the same one from last week. I just modified it. But, yeah. 2 Day Out with Tom's cars now. Looks like a pretty legitimate train. Put Henry in the background there. So, I'm going to review the one I just took out of the box. So, Topham hat. No, I'm just going to get both of them. There's this little, pamphlet from the world. Or, yeah, you know what I mean. And, I'm pretty sure this is trying to replicate Brio, but it really doesn't. So, and then, even though it tries to relate to Big World Big Adventures, it's actually Day Out with Thomas 2018. These are the only two wood parts here. And, you can sit someone inside. There's not much to this item because it's a portable item. The only wood items I would consider getting are Andrew, Leon, Sodor, and Ace the Racer. But, yeah. That's what it looks like in a train. Really got Henry pulling. So, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to do the appropriate things with, I'm not going to throw it in there. But, I am going to keep it away from my wooden railway for now. Anyways, so here's my room. I don't want to show you too much, but I do have some pretty rare items. Just want to show you this. Got some stuff back there. Hopefully, none of it has my name on it. Some of my other stuff. Some take and play. Yeah, this is my whole take and play bin. I don't use it. There's my minis, and this is where I store all of my trains. My favorite trains are in this one and this slot and on the top, but and those four are other things. I have roads from Brio. I just don't have space to use them. And there's some other stuff I don't have in the trash, but I should probably scrap them. And I'm probably gonna put those Thomas items there. But that is my first ever review on probably, it's not the worst Thomas item, but well, it's Thomas Wood, but it's a pretty horrible one. But so let's just yeah, I don't want to look at this anymore. I'm gonna put it on my track, but yeah, I already have generic coaches, so there's no reason to use these. But yeah, overall, not too great. They were for $5.99, probably worth less than that. But my first ever day out with Thomas items. But yeah, if you want to have coaches but don't want any generic ones, or can't afford NAFR Express coaches but you just want generic coaches, probably get these. Yeah, I don't know if you want them. Okay, I'm just gonna, yeah, let's go. Bye.